You start dying slowly.
You start dying slowly. Students Educational Channel. Standard 10. My English course. Book. Section Poetry. 2.1 You start dying slowly.
You start dying slowly. Pablo Neruda.
Extract 1.
If you do not travel, if you do not read, if you do not listen to the sounds of life, if you do not appreciate yourself, you start dying slowly. When you kill your self-esteem, when you do not let others help you, you start dying slowly. If you become a slave of your habits, walking every day on the same paths, if you do not change your routine, if you do not wear different colors or you do not speak to those you don't know, you start dying slowly.
Q3A. Read the following extract and do the activities. 5 marks. A1. Complete. The poet wants us to travel, read, change routine, appreciate ourselves. A2. Complete the web. You start dying slowly if we do not. Answer. You start dying slowly if we do not travel, read, listen to the sound of life, change your routine. A3. Give an example of repetition from the extract. Answer. You start dying slowly. Extract 2.
If you avoid to feel passion and their turbulent emotions, those which make your eyes glisten and your heart beat fast, you start dying slowly. If you do not change your life when you are not satisfied with your job, or with your love, if you do not risk what is safe, for the uncertain, if you do not go after a dream, if you do not allow yourself, at least once in your lifetime, to run away from sensible advice.
Cube 3A. Read the following extract and do the activities. 5 marks. A1. State whether the following statements are true or false. We should not change our life when we are not satisfied. Answer. False. We should not avoid the feelings which make our heart beats fast. Answer. True. We should accept all possible risk. Answer. True. We should not have dreams. Answer. False. A2. Complete the web. The poet advice to us. Answer. The poet advice to us. We should have dreams. We should risk doing efforts. We should not avoid to feel the passion and emotions. We should change our lifestyle or job when we are not satisfied. A3. Give rhyming words of your own for fast, dream. Answer. Fast, cast, dream, cream.